Hello again. I am Nina Simone, and today we are discussing simple strategies for peace after a conflict. If you've just had a conflict with your adult child, I want you to pause here. Your body may feel shaky or heavy or even flooded. That doesn't mean you failed. It means your nervous system was activated, and this moment does not define you. Before explaining or fixing, we regulate. So let's breathe in slowly through our nose. Hold it. Now exhale longer through your mouth. Now let's say together, I am safe. I can pause. Okay. After conflict, the mind wants to defend, but peace asks us to soften in this moment. Ask yourself, do I want to be right or do I want peace? Now say, I release the need to prove my point. Okay? So what do we do next? This is not the moment to send the text. This is not the moment to demand understanding. This is the moment, though, to protect your heart. Silence can be wisdom. Conflict does not cancel love. Distance does not mean rejection. You can love your child deeply and still step back. Love remains even when space is needed. Okay? In the next moment, I want you to speak to yourself like you would a hurting friend. Say to yourself, I'm human. I'm still learning. I can begin again. Lord, heal what I cannot reach right now. Give me wisdom for the next step, not the whole path. Parents, remember, peace doesn't always come through resolution. Sometimes peace comes through surrender. So I ask you, surrender it to God today. It is not yours to carry. Let it be enough for now.